Inspired by innovation and a drive for personal transformation, this channel is dedicated to helping you take control of your body, your mind, and your performance through the powerful science and strategies of biohacking. In the context of biohacking, DIY biohacking refers to individuals or communities conducting biological experiments or genetic modifications on their own, often outside formal scientific institutions, using accessible tools, kits, and online resources. Navigating today's chaotic wellness landscape can be overwhelming. In a world flooded with conflicting advice and quick-fix solutions, the mission is simple: to deliver valuable science-backed information that empowers you to live stronger, think sharper, sleep deeper, and feel better, naturally. It is not about denying trends all the time. It is rather to focus on evidence-based wellness. From boosting energy levels and improving sleep, to enhancing mental clarity and building sustainable habits, every piece of content on this channel is designed to support your journey toward optimal well-being. To truly understand the value of biohacking, it's essential to define what it means. So what exactly is biohacking? Think of it as the art and science of changing the environment inside and outside your body to gain better control over your biology. It's about using technology, nutrition, movement, mindset, and measurable strategies to upgrade your health from the inside out. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned wellness enthusiast, this channel is your go-to resource for integrating biohacking into your daily life, without the fluff and with results that speak for themselves. Redefining personal health is the core mission of this movement. This is more than just a health channel. It's a movement, a journey toward unlocking your potential and becoming the best version of yourself, one smart habit at a time. If you're ready to reclaim your energy, optimize your biology, and elevate your well-being, the promising effort of this channel will take you to the new myth of biohacking. Overviewing the legal landscape reveals both opportunity and caution. Let's jump onto the legal areas and legal gray areas that can be dealt with at any point in time. And it is always good to know. In the U.S., federal agencies like FDA and USDA regulate biohacking, while DIY practices face gray areas. Canada's Health Canada enforces biotech laws, though DIY biohacking lacks clear guidelines. Germany, France, Sweden, Finland, Portugal, Netherlands, and the UK follow strict EU regulations requiring authorization. Russia and China have biotech laws but face enforcement gaps. Across so many different regions, DIY biohacking presents legal uncertainty and health risks due to the gap between fast-evolving tech and slow-moving legislation. Biohacking is safe when done with a set of known consequences, denoting the fact that the formulated outcomes are pre-informed. And biohacking is unsafe when done without oversight, using unregulated materials, violating laws, relying on misinformation, or posing public health risks through uncontrolled genetic or microbial experimentation. Before ending, this channel encourages all to leave positive feedback in comments for any upcoming and noticeable biohacks.